Another thing is I just saw that I had gotten an email. It was from, a fake account. I will share that today. And what that one was it had my Wells Fargo account number in it. And it was so obviously referencing back to them, or I guess it being used up in Duluth. My debit card, and that from that account being used for a parking charge up in Duluth. That's very interesting. That's bad. I mean, if that would obviously mean my phone was hacked in that case, then which is an invasion of my privacy. And I think at this point I'm going to be going to the police with this. And I'm going to try to get them to figure out who BR5514 is. And probably look into the hacking of my information. That's a violation of privacy on another level. Thank you.